Hello, how is everyone? In yesterday workshop, children learned one very important skill, and it was about how to love yourself. Children learn and they could see how important it is to love yourself. Now, do you know how important self-love it is and the impact that has on every aspect of our lives? You see, we have been taught how to respect other people. We have been taught how to take care of animals, that we need to love animals, how to take care of flowers. But how many of us, how many of you have been taught how to love yourself? Please, write me yes or no if you have been taught how to love yourself. In this video, I would like to share with you the huge benefits of loving yourself. But before to start, let me welcome you to Growing Resilience in Kids. My name is Anna, and I have a huge passion to help children build their confidence, to start believing in themselves, help them move through fear, so that they can be happy, they can chase their dreams, reach their fullest potential. Now, there it is so much pressure from media, from society, from peer pressure to achieve more or to be different from what we are. And this pressure can damage our self-worth, our self-love, our mental health, and our life. Believe me, I have experienced this. But you see, when you love yourself, when you truly know who you are, then the opinion of other people won't matter that much anymore. Loving yourself, it's all about accepting yourself just the way that you are, with your strengths and with your weaknesses. Accept who you are, being happy with your personality, enjoy being yourself. People with high self-esteem, those who love themselves, guess what? They feel good about themselves. They are happier. They feel in control. They don't let other people to control their level of happiness, their life. A person who loves herself, it is a person who thinks, and the most important, believes that she deserves love, deserves happiness, deserves respect. You see, loving yourself, it is a choice. To be happy, we need to stop looking on the outside and hope that everyone will like us, everyone will appreciate us for our look, for the work, for how we are. If we want to be happy, then we shouldn't rely on someone else. If you can't love yourself, then no one else will be able to make that happen. So accept who you are completely, with the good and the bad, because no one is perfect. Loving and liking yourself, as I said, it is a choice. We either choose to like ourselves or we don't. When we learn to love ourselves, life will improve dramatically. Believe me, I've been through, and I can see the benefits of starting loving myself. Self-love empowers us with the mental toughness to accomplish our dreams and face any obstacles and stop caring what other people think or say about us. So now let's go into the benefits of loving yourself, because there are a few very important benefits that are going to happen when you start to love yourself. So the first benefit, it is that you will stop caring what other people think. When people don't like you, it doesn't matter, because actually they don't even really matter either. And here is why. People judge you, judge me, judge other people for things that aren't even true in the first place. Sometimes they might judge us for things that are true, but it's no one's business what you choose to do with your life. It doesn't really matter if you try to do everything perfectly. It doesn't really matter if you try to please everyone. And you know why? You see, we can't force people to think what we want. We can't control people's thoughts. So it makes no sense to worry what other people think or say about us. Another benefit when we start to love ourselves, it is that we stop stressing for the little things. We will stop striving for perfection, which, by the way, I'm sure that you know it doesn't exist. Another benefit it is that you will learn to say no. You will stop to please everyone or agree with what everyone has to say, what everyone is saying, only to make them to like you, only to make them to appreciate you. So when you start to love yourself, you won't be, you don't feel afraid to speak up. You won't be afraid to stand up for the things that you really want. You won't be afraid to use your voice. And because of this, you will stop worrying what other people think. Another benefit that will happen when you start to love yourself, it is that you will stop comparing yourself to other people. We all know that when we compare to other people, we are not happy, isn't it? So it is okay if you wish to have something that someone else has. It is okay to appreciate how someone is behaving or how someone is dressing or looking. But it's not okay to compare. It's not okay to put ourselves down. It's not okay to choose to devalue ourselves, to not love ourselves for who we are and what we have. But when you start to love yourself, then you will be grateful for your health, for your kids, for your family, for your family health, for your job, and so on. Now, can you see how important it is to teach children this skill, to teach children to love themselves, accept themselves for who they are? And we can't teach children this important skill for their happiness, for their success in life, for their confidence, if we don't know how to love ourselves. Only when we stop comparing with others, only when we stop pleasing others, only when we stop to look for perfection, only when we stop to take other people's words too seriously, only when we learn that happiness comes from the inside and not from the outside, then we can teach children this important skill for their happiness, confidence, and success in life. You see, it doesn't matter how many times we say to our children, you are beautiful, you are great, you are. Because what we show them, for children, it is more important. Because they model what they see on us and what we say. And the most important thing, it is that all these important life skills, children learn them home first. It starts in their childhood. So I hope that you enjoyed this video, and I hope that you found it beneficial. And if you like it, then please share it with others. Thank you very much, guys, for those who are joining. And if you wasn't here from the beginning, go back, because I found this video very, very, very powerful. Because this is what helped me move through depression and anxiety. Only when I start to love and appreciate myself, I could chase my dreams. I could enjoy the little things that that time I couldn't see them, wow, but now I see them very, very important. Thank you very much for watching, and I will see you next time in another video. Bye.